Hey everyone, it's Patty. I'm so excited to be sharing with you a little bit of Halloween home decor. I wanted to put a couple of things, nothing too spooky, and I wanted to be able to incorporate it into the rest of my fall decor. So in this video, I'm changing up the entryway foyer area, a coffee station, and our homeschool space. That's pretty much all I'm going to be decorating for Halloween this year. I'm still really enjoying my fall decor, so let's go ahead and get started with the Halloween decor. In this space, this is like our foyer just off of the entryway, and I loved how I decorated this for fall, and I was really excited to change it up for Halloween. So I just have this printable that was free that I will leave linked in the description box. I found these black candles from Michael's. I shared that in a haul recently. And then I made that black pumpkin with some Dollar Tree and craft store supplies. I will leave that video linked down below. And then I incorporated some picks from some that I had on hand and some from the Target dollar spot. And then I just put some cobwebs from the Dollar Tree on the mirror. I also have a little succulent, and the pillow was just a pillowcase I had, and I put a sign from Walmart and then some picks from the Dollar Tree that I already had on hand. My goal for this space was to create like a cozy, kind of spooky but not too scary vibe when you walked in, and I feel like that was achieved. The kids really enjoyed having a couple of spooky spaces, but we still are enjoying the fall things too. Next up is my coffee station. Most of the stuff for fall is still up here, so I wanted to go ahead and take that stuff down, and then I'm going to incorporate some of the Halloween decor that I have and leave some of the stuff that I have from fall, like all of the copper things and then the more neutral pumpkins. So here I just have a sign from the dollar spot. It came in a 3-pack. The little succulent is from Michael's, and I'm just kind of rearranging things that way everything has balance. I try to have a sign on each side and then kind of have things with different heights, different textures, and colors. So I feel like the purple brought in a pop of color that I didn't have for fall, so I was really excited to incorporate the purple. The little bat I recently found at Walmart for 98 cents, and I thought it was the perfect addition to the tray, and I just incorporated a couple of more neutral pumpkins with the purple and black that the Halloween decor brought in. I wanted to do the same with the top shelf of my coffee station, so I incorporated some of the black and purple that I incorporated in with my tier tray so that everything ties together. I did still leave a couple of orange pieces like this pumpkin sign, and then what I did to make it more Halloween is I added more of the cobwebs from the Dollar Tree, and I just put a little bit over it. That way it tied all in with the Halloween decor that I was adding. And my goal with the Halloween decor was to add kind of the modern farmhouse feel, so I wanted a lot of sleek lines and black to make it more modern and not too tacky looking. Next, on my second shelf, I really love this flower, and I felt like it still went with the Halloween decor. So what I did to kind of make it go with the other things that I was adding is I added another one of those black picks. Then I have the sign that I picked up from the Target dollar spot this year, and then a black pumpkin. And that is this space. I really like how it turned out. I felt like it incorporated Halloween and fall together. I have the DIY mug that I made from the Dollar Tree, which I will leave that video linked, so if you want to make one, you can make it too. I also added a little sign to this area. I have my K-cups in the copper jar, and then we keep the Nespresso pods in the other one. And you'll see at the very end I did change the smaller canister for a copper jack-o'-lantern that I thrifted several years ago, and I forgot about it and I found it in the bin as I was decorating, so I decided to make that switch, which you will see at the very end. The last space I decorated was the kids' homeschool space. Just like I did for my fall video, I incorporated things that we are used in our learning and things that we're actually going to be using in school. So I added an extra Halloween little pennant banner to the top there, and as we do crafts and different activities, I will add them to the bead garland. Then I added this little skeleton that we've had for a couple years from the Dollar Tree, and he always makes his debut in October, and I always make sure to squeeze in studying bones and those types of things. Then I just wrote trick or treat and drew a couple candy corn. I have this little jack-o'-lantern that the kids love. Added another few garlands here on our bookshelf, and I put all of our fall books on that higher up bookshelf, and then the Halloween books in this little basket. Then I have some of our favorites that we bought this year on display, and we have loved those. If you want more details of the Halloween and fall books we're using, follow me on Instagram at Wife and Mom's Life. This basket has some craft things, and then the other cauldron has some more craft things and activity books and all of those things. So follow me on Instagram, and I will be sharing later on this week all of the books that we're using, and then some curriculum that we're using as well if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.